How to apply LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the color workspace at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will apply your LUTs for color grading. Next, make sure the clip you want to grade is selected on the timeline. Then head over to the LUTs panel on the left side. If you don't see it, click on the LUTs icon, which looks like a small grid. Now, browse through the available LUT folders or add your own by right-clicking inside the LUTs panel and selecting Open LUT folder. You can drag and drop any .cube or .lut files into this folder. After adding, right-click again and choose Refresh to make them appear. After that, choose the LUT you want, right-click on it and select Apply LUT to current node. This will instantly apply the LUT effect to your selected clip. Finally, if you want to apply the LUT to other clips, simply repeat the same process. And that's it. Now you know how to apply LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.